This is Weichai's background wall. Would you hang the engine on your wall? They are all real things. This is Weichai's crankshaft, Weichai's piston, Weichai's oil pump, oil head, motor, generator, supercharger, camshaft. So I love Weichai. This is my coffee table. This is Weichai's cylinder sleeve. This is Weichai's porcelain ring. This is Weichai's logo. Because I love Weichai.
铁玻璃漆的水杯和铁饭盒，半夜2点的小酒馆门口，雨天使用光滑。
Would you hang the engine on your wall? This is my big toy, all of which are Weichai steel sleeves, and the house I built myself. Turning waste into treasure, modifying the engine. He is our truck friend Xiang Liang, car repair master with 20 years of experience. All our treasures, and there are many more. He keeps looking for things from the scrap iron station to make the engine spit fire, otherwise it is too expensive to buy a new one. The love for the engine can also be obsessive. He is not willing to be just a repairman, he also dreams of becoming an engineer and building an engine of his own. So, there is this inline 12-cylinder diesel engine. This is an inline 12-cylinder engine made by combining two scrap metal and scrapped Weichai engines. Many people said, I said you are just a repairman, not an engineer. I am uneducated, so I want to make the impossible possible, to see if I can show my skills and theoretical knowledge, to prove myself. He turned his fantastic ideas into a real-life version of Mount Maximum. Some people questioned his traffic, some thought he was just bored, and some advised him to make something useful, but he knew that making cars was not for some value. Many people said that it was useless to make this thing, and it was indeed useless. I still wanted to challenge myself. I have been doing repairs for so many years and I have a thorough understanding of the engine. After installing the engine, many people said to install a car. Later, what I thought was to let everyone see what kind of car I built. I thought about building one for myself to play with. When I was young, my family couldn't afford toys, so when I grew up, I built a big toy for myself to play with. In addition to repairing cars, he also plays with cars. He is also a racing navigator. Because of passion, you can do it well. Because you like it, you can do it well. Both of these must be done with great concentration and care, so that you can really do it well. Repairing cars is a profession, making cars is a dream, and passion is interpreted to the extreme. Many old friends say that I can only repair Weichai engines. I think as a mechanic, it doesn't matter what I repair. If I can repair Weichai, I can also repair other things. What makes me different from others is that I don't just repair Weichai, I love Weichai. Why do I say I love Weichai? For everyone, I can say that I love it to the point of obsession. As a mechanic, I will show you how much I love Weichai. This is the background wall of Weichai. Would you hang the engine on your home? There are real things on it. This is Weichai's crankshaft, Weichai's piston, Weichai's oil pump, oil head, motor, generator, supercharger, and camshaft. This is my coffee table. This is Weichai's steel sleeve. This is Weichai's porcelain ring. This is Weichai's logo. Because I love Weichai. Engine steel sleeves, built houses, published Weichai engines, engine theme, customized private KTV. Weichai can be such an existence in the folk. I think that China Weichai can make such a popular engine, and I am very proud as a Chinese. I think as a repairman, only from practice to failure, from failure to success, from success to experience, and from experience to learn technology. This is the purpose of building this car. I think as a repairman, if you want to repair the engine, you must really understand its structure and principle, and really learn the technology in your brain.